So first we draw the box on the 9080s files maps, because you see the 9080s and the 9093, the maps box is not compatible. Means they're not matched lah. So you have to draw it on the 9080s first. So draw polygon. Click here, 79 to 76. Okay, and right click. Okay, so you got the box for properties, and then you click the style, simply fill, click simple line, and change to red. Okay, and increase the width. And you click OK, and you got this, and you see this. Okay. See, the box of 9080s is same as the 1993 one, even though the 1993 one, the line is not on the box. Okay, so now you start drawing polygon on each of the places. So you have to zoom in so that you can see clearly of the line. Okay. And now you start to create a new shapefile. Okay, name it land use lah, cincai lah, land use. Then you click add to the fill list, and then you click OK. Then you save it in the desktop. You give it a new folder because you have got 6 files. So I label it as land, double click it, and then name each file as land use 93. Click save. So you now got one shapefile. This is the file that you're going to submit. So you click pencil shape. Wait. Just now one I delete, I click the point. So now you change to polygon, and then you click plane. Okay, then use. Okay, yeah, into list. Okay, and then you put it in a file like what I do just now. Then give it a name, then use shape, I don't know, give it a name, and you save it. Yes, okay. You click the pencil shape. You have to zoom in because the polygon is not like a very square shape. It's like got curve like that. You have to draw out the curve. So now you click this, and then you start drawing it out. Okay. Yeah, you have to very little distance. Not like yours one is too big already. It's like a square. It's not a map already. So slowly. Okay. You connect it, right click, and then you give like this one, this part, you give like 1, and it's sun-dry tree cultivation based on the legend it given below. So you label as, I lazy to type long lah, but you better type it all. Okay, I just type it all lah. Sun-dry tree cultivation. Sun-dry sun-dry tree cultivation. Okay, and you click OK. This one is the first one. And then here still got right, so you just click it. Okay, you have to put it big so that every single curve you able to connect it. Right click one, then sun-dry tree cultivation. Okay, then you click OK. The ID one, all up will belong to ID one. So then I choose another one with different land use. Like the dotted one is secondary jungle, blah 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 blah. Okay, I just type secondary jungle, but you need to type it all up. Okay, so I create a new polygon. Okay, right click, you put 2, because this one is a different land already, so you put 2. So I put secondary forest. Okay, secondary forest. Okay, if there is anything that like already out of the shape, so you just can click this thing and then just move, yeah, to fit to the shape. Yeah, this one already outlined, right? So you just push it back. So when you are done, you just click this one, and then you after that you click all, do it all. All of these different parts have different name. This one getah, this one the sundry tree cultivation, this one secondary forest, blah blah blah. All you have to fill it in, just like what I did lah. Just like a puzzle, it's full one. It's full of this thing. You cannot see the original map already in this box. Then after that you have to categorize, right? So you just open the you just right click this one, then use your shapefile, right click, properties, and then single symbol you change to categorize. And then from here you click land use, so it will categorize based on the land use. So classify. So here you can see there's 2. One is secondary forest, one is sun-dry tree cultivation. So it will automatically help you to fill the color based on the land use type. So then you click OK. So you see there's 2 different colors already. So after you fill in, fill, and then you got that. That's how you should do it. So hope you understand. Yes, and then after that, right, you have to click this pen. After you fill in all, like mine, you fill in all already, then you click the pen. So it will ask you to save, and just save. No worry if there is anything wrong, right? You just click back this one, and then click this, and then you still can make changes lah. And then at lastly, you have to merge all the. You will know it like when you do until the last part. When you need to merge all the things, what you do, you just click this one, and you click this, press Ctrl, and you click the other one you want to merge together lah. this one is quite behind, so when you do until then you still don't understand, you can just ask me again. Then you click this, and then you click project, and you click edit, merge selected features, and then you just don't care about just you see which one you want to, like the two you want to merge into one, just make it into it's okay there. Then you just merge, then it will become one single category already. This one quite confusing lah. After you do until that part, you ask me again, or I do the video again for you. And yeah, hope you can understand what I'm talking about lah.